Hello guys, welcome to Money Talk with Alex, where we demonstrate the most straightforward way of making money online. Today I have a website I want to show you where you can get Udemy courses for free. Before we get started, please smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Thank you. The name of the website will be in the description, and definitely it will pop up on your screen. And the name of the website we'll be checking today is called freeudemycourses.com. You can see it here, www.tutorialsdunia.com. On this site, because I have made a lot of videos on Udemy, I'm this kind of person that advocate for education. I want people to be educated, to be enlightened, and I always don't want a case or a scenario where money will stop you or be like an impediment. So I did a lot of research to see ways, or to get ways on how I can avail myself to some opportunities on Coursera, Udemy, like that. So because I really suffered a lot before I could get some certification, especially in my programming language courses. So ever since, I've been working on how to get free courses to help me, and I don't mind sharing all this with you too, so that at least money will not be an impediment for us to get knowledge. So another website I came across is called tutorialdunia.com. Look at it, you can read the article. Yeah, says free courses, data science, mobile development, web development, and all of that. And all of that. So just go through it. Just go down. You see here, you can click on this place to get free Udemy courses. You can also join their WhatsApp group so that you can meet a lot of people on the platform in order to rub mind, share a lot of things in common. This is the table of content here. You can click on it to see the table of content. It's a paid Udemy courses for free. You can see the date. It's recent, for you to know it's recent. Power starts in project management. You can see the price before is 6,400 and maybe rand, and now it's free. Personal branding, here you can see it's free. JavaScript, if you're a programmer, this is a place for you to get a free course. Management skills, financial risk manager, Audible, that is Amazon. You can see the prices, but now they are free. Just continue to scroll down for Facebook marketing, marketplace, dropship magic. Check it out. Introduction to quantum computing. Please, this is a place. Fiverr for newbies. If you want to be a freelancer, you can come to Fiverr. Fiverr is a big marketplace where you do a lot of micro tags for people and get paid for that. Political science, Instagram marketing, for those of you who want to learn Instagram marketing, Google Analytics. Just check Facebook marketing. In fact, 2023 course. So that is that. Digital marketing strategy, bundle, SEO training. All those of you that want to do website design and all of that. This is another SEO. Those of you that love public speaking, there's a free course for that. See, I can keep on going down, scrolling down. So please, Google Analytics for beginner. You can see it. Excel. Wow, Excel. If you want a course in Excel, this is another place. Microsoft Excel Weekender Crash Course, 6,400, but now it is free. Just take a look at it. Just scroll down to the end to avail yourself to these courses. So it is free. They are all free. So why I'm bringing this your way, you can see in video. Okay, creating video lesson with online video maker. That is in video. When you want to do text to video, you can use in video. So learn about that. Shopify, entrepreneurship, socio-political, philosophy, LD living. So let's look at it. LD living. So it's all encompassing. How to get Udemy paid courses for free. You see it here. It says visit tutorialsdunia.com to get Udemy free courses with certificate, and select any free Udemy course which you want to learn. Okay. Most of those sites where they give Udemy courses for free, they don't always give out certificate. But with tutorialsdunia.com, you have a free course and you get certified. So please, fans, try this new Udemy and free Udemy course website. It's a 100% discount coupon code will be automatically applied and the course will be shown as free. So just look at it. So please make yourself available for all these courses. They are all free, they are all free. So please don't forget that the site is tutorialdunia.com. If you find value in this video, please turn on the notification bell, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can continually give out opportunities like this for people, and you can share this video also with people around you, or you recommend them to subscribe to my channel for them to get opportunity like this. Thank you very much. Looking forward to seeing you at the top. Check out my next videos on Udemy. The links will be provided in the description below. Thank you.